Hey YouTubers, it's Ashley. So today's video is going to be on binder clip life hacks. And be sure to stay to the end of the video for this week's shout out. So the first life hack is a toothpaste holder thing. So all you do is wrap your toothpaste up, and this will keep all of the usable toothpaste at the top or bottom, whichever. I don't really know. Anyways, the next one is with a canvas painting. So if you want to hang a canvas painting on your wall, simply clip on the binder clip and flip it up, and then you can just hang it on the wall like that. It's not really invisible, but it works. The next one is clipping your binder clip onto a counter and putting your toothbrush into it. You might need a smaller binder clip for this one than what I have, but it works. And you can also use this binder clip to attach it to your desk and organize your cords, which really is awesome, and it helps make sure your cards are really organized. And you can even decorate your binder clips with washi tape. So this week's shout out goes to Beddie DIY. It's spelled Beddie DIY. And obviously this is a DIY channel, so if you're really into like DIY type videos and you really like my channel, definitely check out her channel. Yeah, and as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below whatever DIYs you like, and if you've tried any of these.